Hey everybody, it's Bethany with Nutritious and Delicious, and I'm actually going to talk to you guys today about your mental state. So I keep running into this topic with a lot of my clients and followers, and they're asking me, how do you keep your mental state going in times of chaos? So this topic is actually really close to my heart. It's something that obviously happens personally to all of us, so I think this is something that is key for you to listen to. So if you are taking care of yourself mentally, then everything else suffers. So you basically throw out the window your good eating habits, looking after yourself, going to the gym, all that kind of good stuff, right? So all those good habits fly out the window. So what I'm going to share with you today is 7 ways I keep myself positive and how to move forward with your thinking. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So number 1 is I find sharing with trusted friends. So friends in your life is key for success. Surround yourself with positive people and get rid of the toxic people in your life as well. Number 2 is journaling. So whether you are outside or before bed or in the morning, journaling is a great way to write down kind of your mind, your thoughts, dump it into your journal for the day. Could be positive, could be negative, but it's just getting it out there on paper. Number 3 is getting out in nature. So if you've seen some of my posts, I do a lot of hikes. I like to go with my kids and get out in nature. This is something that connects me to the universe, the people that I've passed on in my life. And also it gets me into fresh air and vitamin D from the sunshine. So it really regenerates me and makes me feel really good and happy to be outside. Number 4 is caring for others. So when you actually put yourself into a mode of taking care of somebody else, it gets you out of your head. So this could be things like volunteering your time, doing something for somebody just for no reason. We all usually have things to do, kids to take care of, things like that. Go outside of yourself and actually find something that makes you feel good to help somebody else. The next one would be taking a break or a day off. Now this one I found really hard because a lot of us, if we're entrepreneurs, we are trying to work and trying to get everything going in our life. But you sometimes need to stop and you need to take a break because we are human at the end of the day. And we need to just go outside, take a break. We need to call a friend. We need to just mentally relax. Sometimes it's just going to bed. It's if you've had enough, you haven't had a good day. If you are an employee, sometimes you can't take the day off, but maybe if you can just schedule, an hour to yourself after work, that would be really helpful for you as well. Number 6 is staying active. So going to the gym, getting a buddy to help you, getting a personal trainer, getting yourself outside, whether it's walking, it's doing yoga, you're doing swimming. Find something that is going to get your body moving, because if you're stagnant in your energy, your blood's not moving, it brings in negative thoughts, and also it gets your weight to creep up as well. So again, there's a bit of self-sabotage that happens there when people aren't actually taking care of themselves. And lastly, do something you are good at. So this is actually going to boost your self-worth and your self-confidence. And I have a lot more tips here too, like boosting your self-worth and your self-confidence also comes from setting boundaries with people, and also meditating and listening to good people around you that are giving you positive feedback on what you're doing in your life. So thank you guys so much for listening to this, and I hope you are having an amazing summer. Now get outside and go do a hike. In good health, guys. Bye for now.